So we have a chisel to clean up that part, and then we're gonna sand it. The wheels look like Dr. Seuss cut them out. I'm gonna show them how the file works. So the file sees us little splinters, and I'm doing it in the back of the tender. We have some sandpaper. Let's clamp it down. Dad, can you do a big daddy squeeze for me? Can you tighten it up? And I can sand the sandpaper. So you go with the lines. I'm not sinking. So we can't do this. This gets stuck there. I couldn't file that part there. But Dad could easily wasn't those cracks there and fit in. So we're gonna blow towards it.
Slippy says, just let Dad do this part for real. Slippy says, make sure you have some water in case this catches on fire, or just stick it in a snowbank.
So we're making it look like wood. But it looks cool. We're gonna do the huts. I need hot chocolate then. And that's so cool.
Slippy says hot chocolate is a great way to warm up in the winter.
I screwed it. I screwed it. Oh. I'm screwing it. Oh.
Kevin says it might be good to clamp down the wood and push hard.
Let's use the impact gun instead. This one going. I'm gonna make here. So we're gonna put belts on it, and this is what it looks like. And we're gonna put it in my wheel. Bye.